Hi guys, welcome to Saving with Cecile. In today's video, I'm going to share my CVS deal that I roll over extra bucks from one transaction to another transaction. And my auto packet over here was only $3.04 for all the items, the one I'm showing over here that they have a value of $51.45. Yes, guys, but my auto packet was only $3.04. If this is your first time, thank you so much for tuning in and watching Saving with Cecile. If you're subscribers, thank you for always coming back and watching Saving with Cecile. For my first transaction, I grab two Neutrogena wipes. The price is $6.99 each, so the total for two is $13.98. I clip a 3-off-1 digital coupon, and for this, I use my $10 monthly bonus, and out of pocket, I pay only $1.06 and on $6 extra bucks when you buy two. And over here, what is if I talk about the extra bonus. So, what is a CVS Extra Care Plus? So, it's a membership that you have to pay $5 a month. If you don't want to pay $5 a month, man, I pay $48 annually. And then you will start to receive a $10 monthly bonus every month. And remember that this reward lasts only for 30 days and then it will expire if you don't know to use it. So all the time when I receive money, I just run it to the CVS and then I'm going to use it because I don't want them to expire. So for my second transaction, I grab a two Maybelline. The price is I care for $4.99. So the total for two is $9.98. So I clip $3 a digital coupon. And to pay, I use $6 extra bucks, the one I received from previous transaction. And out of pocket, guys, I pay only $1.06. And then I earn $6 extra bucks when you buy two. For my third transaction, I grab a two CoverGirl. The price is a pencil. The price is $6.29 each. So the total for two is $12.58. And then I clip, we have two coupons over here. So I clip a $3 digital coupon and another $4 coupon is attaching. And I use $6 extra bucks for my previous transaction, and at the packet, guys, over here, my total was zero, but I earn $6 extra bucks when you buy two CoverGirl. And for my fourth transaction, I grab two Colgate. The price is $4.96 each. So the total for two is $9.92. And then I clip a $3 digital coupon. And to pay, I use a $6 extra bucks, the one I just earned from CoverGirl. And out of packet, I pay 92 cents and then I earn $5 extra bucks for my last transaction. And then I grab one Nivea body lotion. It's on sale this week for $4.99. We don't have no coupon, but I use $5 extra bucks. And over here, I lost 1 cent, but it's okay because out of packet, I didn't pay nothing. I pay zero, but I earn $3 extra bucks for buying a one Nivea body lotion, guys. This one was really, really good deal for me, and I really want to share this deal. And you can see how we can save money, how we can roll over the extra bucks from one transaction to another transaction. If you enjoyed this video, please give me thumb up. And if you know someone, the one you need, you can share this video so we can all learn how to save money and how to use a coupon and how to use extra bucks. If you enjoy it, please give me thumb up. If you do not subscribe yet, please subscribe. So next time when I find a good deal like this one, I'm going to share it and then you don't miss it. Thank you so much and take care. Bye bye.